So today we're going to be installing some projector LED headlights in my Crosstrek. Now, I did not retrofit my headlights. These I found online, and I will leave the link in the description below. So let's get started. First, what we'll want to do is open the hood so you get access to the bumper and the headlights. Just like before, we want to take off the grill and the bumpers because we need to get under to the bracketing that is underneath the headlights. So what we'll do, disconnect the rally straps that I have. Take the grill off, grill down, and then let's just take the bumper off by popping this side out. And then same with this side. And my fog lights are currently not connected, but you will have to do that on yours. So first what I'm going to do is replace the standard halogen bulbs that come in it with some LED bulbs. So we're going to remove it like you would a normal bulb. Plug in the new LED bulb, like so. Put the bulb in. Make sure that it's in. Let's see. Right there. Locked in place. Okay. And now that I got the LED bulb in there, it's just simply plug it and twist it in. Re-put the cover on it so that no water can get in there, and then do the same to the other side. Now that the projector's ready to go, it's time to take the old headlight off. So what we're going to do is, with a 10 mil, take out the 5 bolts that are holding in the bracket and the headlight. So we'll take the bracket ones out first. There's one on the side and then 2 in the front. Okay, now that those 3 are out, we could take the bracket off. Make sure that on the outside you pull outwards with it, and then pull it straight out. And now you can get the 2 top 10 mil bolts. Make sure that the headlight doesn't fall, because that's quite expensive. Now that all the bolts are undone, we can pull the headlight out. And then what you want to do is take the high beam harness and disconnect it. And then this bottom harness down here that has the rest of the lights attached to it, undo that, slide them right out. And then the new projector will go right in. So right before we put them in, what we're gonna wanna do, for me at least, is take out the LED turn signal that I had, and then replace it with the standard one in there, just like so. Okay. Now to put the projector in, all we want to do is grab the harness and plug it in. Listen for the audible click like that, and then take our high beam and also plug that in, just like so. And then take the light, make sure that none of the wires are in the way, and then slide it up. Grab your 2 bolts and just get them on there for now so that you could take your hand off the light. Make sure that those are all tightened down. Okay. Now that the lights are all connected, it's important to make sure that they work before we put everything back on, or else we'll have to undo everything again. So let's do that. Okay, and then just opposite of how we put the bracket on. So, all in, make sure you put the one bolt on the side in, and then the 2 bolts in the front in. And then tighten all of those down. That one wasn't fully in. Okay, now do the exact same to the other side. One super quick thing to note is that with the day running lights on this, on how the old day running lights would go through the high beams, if you don't want the lights to be on during the day, what you do is come up to the resistor and just unplug it. Because then that won't let any of the power go through, and then your day running lights can just be the C lights up here. Okay, so now all we have to do is put the bumper back on and put the grill back on, and then go out for a drive to see how they look outside.